polishing process. The compound is all cleared off with my microfiber cloth, and I have my polisher. I have a new rag that's clean so that I can wipe it off without any contaminants on the rag. I have my de-sander here, and I have my new polishing pad on here. It's very soft, and I will start from the rear and work forward and see how it looks. Hopefully it looks better. Same as last time, I'm going to put a little dot in the center and put some on the edge as well. Let's start off at level 2 and go from there. Do a little dab, get my cord in order. Okay, let's do it. It's a little bit dry. I'm going to put some more. All right, that looks better. Not bad, not too hot. Okay guys, I just finished the polish process. It did take a while, but the results are pretty good. It's very, very glossy, and I guess that's the way it's supposed to be. I mean, that's the process. It should polish and bring out a shine in the paint. There are a little bit of light scratches on there from the wet sanding. Probably a better wet sanding or maybe a finer grit, maybe 2000 grit would be ideal, superb. But for now, it looks good. We're gonna begin the final process. I have my wax here and I have my 3M pad. I don't have much experience using this pad. It's relatively new and I don't know how it's going to perform. At this point right now, we're not really trying to improve the look of the clear coat. All we're trying to do is just protect and seal the actual clear coat here so it can withstand the elements. What we're going to do here is the surface is already dried. I'm going to clean it one more time with a clean microfiber cloth. And then all we do is just spray generously on the surface and let the pad do its thing. So I don't expect to see any noticeable difference. It looks pretty good right now. And yeah. All right, let's do it. I have my DA polisher on 2 right now, low speed. All right, let's see if I dry this off, what it looks like. Yeah, not too bad. I might actually just forego the actual tool here. Yeah, I'm gonna forego the dual action on this one. I always felt like this process here just requires good elbow grease, a close eye, and not so much spraying on there. I think that rotary tool is actually smearing just a little bit too much. So this might take a while. This part of the job is labor intensive. But that's cool. Really gotta have some good light as well to see what you're doing with this one. Man. Looks like I'm doing more harm to it. It looks less pretty. Now, this took a long time to do this whole process. Took a couple of hours, I'm not even gonna lie. And this is just one panel, which is the roof. So if you are gonna do this, I would set aside a lot of hours, probably 2 days, just to get this done. All right, so while I'm doing this, I can talk to you a little bit about some things that I encountered or what I would actually do different or differently. Let's start off with the reason why I did this whole thing in the first place. Okay, so there was some oxidation in the car. Decided to re-clear it. That wasn't a bad decision. Pretty good decision, but you just gotta know your expectations, know what to expect from doing that. So I knew it wasn't gonna completely, remove the blemishes in the paint. That would require you to actually strip the whole paint down to the bare metal, aluminum or whatever, and then put a layer of base on there and then a layer of coat. I didn't touch the base at all, so all we did was remove the old clear and put a new layer of clear on it. So, as I expected, it did help a little bit with the color, but you can still see a little bit of discoloration where the clear coat was actually failing. Next thing, when I was applying the clear coat on the car, I probably would have a better ventilation system. Not for myself, although that's really important, not for my health, but just to get some air circulated so that the residual clear coat in the air doesn't reattach to the surface once gravity pulls it down. What I'm trying to say is, once you spray the car, there's going to be a lot of molecules of clear coat in the air, and once your clear coat is on the car, that residue in the air is going to eventually fall down on the clear coat, causing spotting, and in my case, certain parts that wasn't protected on this car got some overspray. Probably put an exhaust fan in your garage so that you can suck the air out. As long as there's some kind of flow, you'll be in a good situation. Besides that, the quality of the clear coat was pretty good. Highly recommend that 2K clear coat. I was impressed with the Harbor Freight cutting pads. I've used them before in the past, and this time was the best result I've ever had with those pads. The 3M, they have good reviews. As I said, I've never used it before. This is my first time using it, and after using it, I still didn't want to use it because it's probably more convenient to use the spray bottle and your hand to actually clean the surface. So I think the job here is done. I can't do any more. I could probably make this better if I were to wet sand it with a finer grit, but this is the result that I'm getting with the grit that I use. All right, I think we're good here. And once I get outside, I'll see some more, then I'll try to wipe it off. But for now, that is it. We're gonna reverse the car outside, take a look at it, and maybe I'll see a lot more imperfections in the sunlight. All right, let's do that. I'm gonna clean this first as well, reverse the car, and take a look, guys. let's go look at it. Oh, all that exposure. All right, let's go take a look at it. I haven't seen it yet. Let's do it. I apologize for the wind noise in advance. It's kind of windy outside. All right, so I haven't seen it yet. All right, shoot. For a first look, it doesn't seem too bad actually. There's some stuff in the trunk there, but no big deal. Oops. All right, so there you go. As I said, it's kind of hard to see, but doesn't look too bad as far as first time. All right, so there's obviously less orange peel out here. There's still a few or some right here, and that's all due to my lack of thorough wet sanding on it. Alright guys, so let me know what you think. The car probably needs another wash. There's spots everywhere because of splatter here and there, but for the most part, I mean, I'm just maybe 7 feet away from the car. And would you notice any peeling clear coat? Maybe you would, I don't know. I'm pleased with that. Alright guys, let me know what you think. I think it looks pretty good. It's really glossy and shiny. The color is darker. And yeah. If you guys want to see more videos like this, hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, peace.